Hello everyone, this is Hina and welcome to another tutorial of Dillenium marketing. And today I'm going to show you how can you easily curve a text in Adobe Illustrator. Very simple tool, easy technique that you can apply to make a curve effect in your text. So let's start now. First of all, what I'm going to do, I will take this ellipse tool from here and drag a simple ellipse like this. Okay, so now the next step, I'm going into the type tool here and just writing type on a part tool. Click one point of this ellipse now and just write your text. Okay, so here you can see our text is looking like this. Now what I'm going to do, I will take a copy of this and go into the transform. Here I'm going into the rotate and just rotating with a 180-degree angle. So you can see it will be looking like this. And what I'm going to do, I will click on this line and just drag it inside like this. Dragging it inside, it will be looking like this now. So here you can adjust the text accordingly like this. And now what I'm going to do, I will simply aligning it. So it will be looking like this now. Okay, so here you can play with it. You can change the color like this, and you can also change the color here. If you want to change the text, then you can simply click on it here and just select your text like this, and you can simply make changes accordingly. Okay, so this is very simple and easy way to do it. And here you can also bold it or whatever you want to do, you can play with it. In the same way, you can also doing with the same thing. And here you can also change the font as well. So you can do it whatever you want. Okay, so now the next thing that I'm going to show you, you can also create ellipse tool here and simply do it again. And here I'm writing on a type tool in the same way, and okay, here I want to create a full length text, so you can increase it and it will be look like this. If you decrease the size, so you can see how it will be look like. So this is very simple, easy technique that you can apply in Adobe Illustrator to curve your text. Very simple, easy way. There is also some another tool as well to do the same things, but this is the way that you can easily write in a part tool, and you can apply these type of techniques to create your brochures, flyers, logos, or whatever the branding kit you are developing. Then this might help you. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my tutorial, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a very good day. Bye bye.